Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a split AC that is not dripping water outside. So first of all, no water dripping outside doesn't always mean that your AC is faulty. If the weather is dry or the humidity is low, your air conditioner may produce many little condensation, which is completely normal. However, if your AC has stopped cooling properly and there is still no water outside, you can just simply start by checking the air filters. The dirty air filters restrict the airflow and it can then reduce the condensation, affecting the unit's cooling performance. Now, you need to also inspect the drain pipe, which is connected to the indoor unit. If it is blocked with dirt, algae or debris, the condensation may not drain properly and you can back up inside the system. You need to also take a look at the outdoor drain outlet and make sure that it is not blocked by the leaves, insects or mud, as this can prevent the water from flowing out freely. Now, if your AC isn't cooling when there is no proper dripping and you have ruled out a blocked drain, the system may have low refrigerant or another cooling issue that needs further inspection. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.